Imagine living 100,000 years ago. No cities, no internet, no privacy, no modern entertainment, just survival. But one question rarely asked is surprisingly fascinating. What happened when ancient humans experienced sexual desire but had no partner? Did they simply ignore it? Did they masturbate? Or did evolution shape entirely different behaviors? The answers aren't written in stone, but science, anthropology, and our closest living relatives offer remarkable clues. Today, we're uncovering one of the most mysterious aspects of prehistoric human life. Our ancestors may have dressed differently, lived in caves or simple shelters, and hunted with stone tools, but biologically, they were remarkably similar to us. By around 300,000 years ago, early Homo sapiens had bodies and brains much like modern humans. That means they experienced hunger, fear, love, curiosity, and sexual desire. These feelings are driven by hormones and brain chemistry that evolved over millions of years. Desire didn't suddenly appear with civilization. It has been part of humanity for a very long time. Because masturbation leaves no fossils, archaeologists cannot find direct evidence of it. Instead, scientists look at biology and animal behavior. Many mammals, including primates such as chimpanzees, bonobos, and macaques, have been observed masturbating in the wild and in captivity. Researchers think this behavior can serve several functions, including relieving sexual tension, exploring one's body, or simply occurring as part of normal sexual behavior. Since humans share common ancestry with these primates, many anthropologists consider it likely that ancient humans also engaged in masturbation at times. While no one can prove exactly how often it happened, it would fit with what we know about human biology. Ancient humans usually lived in small, closely connected communities. Privacy was limited. Families often slept near one another. Daily life revolved around gathering food, hunting, making tools, and caring for children. That environment may have influenced how people express sexual behavior. There may have been fewer opportunities to be alone compared with modern life. At the same time, people likely developed social norms about personal space and acceptable behavior, although those customs probably differ from one group to another. Human desire is influenced by many factors. Periods of intense hunting, pregnancy, breastfeeding, illness, stress, and seasonal changes in food availability could all affect sexual interest. When people had partners, intimacy likely helped strengthen relationships as well as contribute to reproduction. When they did not, it is reasonable to think that sexual desire did not simply disappear. Like people today, ancient humans probably experienced desire in different ways depending on their age, health, relationships, and culture. There is no evidence that they relied on a single universal practice. Unlike many animals, humans form long-term social bonds, cooperate in raising children, and communicate through complex emotions. Sex became more than reproduction. It also supported emotional connection, trust, and family life. These social bonds were likely important for survival, especially because human children require many years of care. This broader role of intimacy may have shaped how our ancestors viewed relationships and sexual behavior. So, did ancient humans masturbate? No archaeological discovery can answer that question directly, but biology provides strong clues. Humans possess the same basic reproductive anatomy and many of the same evolutionary traits seen in other primates, where masturbation has been widely documented. For that reason, many researchers consider it likely that at least some ancient humans engage in masturbation, just as they experienced a full range of normal human emotions and desires. What remains uncertain is how common it was, what different cultures thought about it, and how social customs shape behavior across thousands of generations. The bigger story is this: our ancestors were not emotionless survivors. They were people with hopes, fears, relationships, curiosity, and desires, not so different from us. The more we learn about them, the more we discover that the roots of modern human behavior stretch deep into our prehistoric past. If you enjoyed this exploration of human evolution and prehistoric life, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications for more evidence-based documentaries about our ancient ancestors. What ancient human mystery should we investigate next? Let us know in the comments below.